Bitcoin, sell everything right now? Oh, guys, I don't know about that, but we are going to dive into this video right now and take a look at whether you should be selling your Bitcoin and your cryptocurrency right now or not. Guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara DeCass, and let's rock out with this video. Give me some knuckles up there. Bam! I want to see a little knuckles fist pump in the comments below. I want to see all of you guys interacting with me. To those that are watching the Crypto Bliss channel, thank you very much for being here. Thank you to all my subscribers. I truly appreciate every single one of you. You know that the channel needs your love and your constant support and your constant tuning into what it is that we are here to do and share with the community, guys. You saw I did a crazy video about Ben is in serious trouble. Go watch that video. You guys can go and see some of the news there. I did a little stint from the Crypto Banter show. So you can go and have a look at that. But guys, crazy stuff happening out there. So do not miss out on the opportunity to make crazy gains coming up. Now, is this the best time to invest in crypto? Well, cryptocurrency market cap is at $1.086 trillion. The all-time high was at $3 trillion. So we're 3x below where the all-time high has previously been. Bitcoin is currently 3x down from its all-time high as well. And you can see how that makes up for the majority of the liquidity in the market. And currently the trading volume is 36.8 billion in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is now sitting above the 26,000 level at 26,289. And Ethereum is above the 1600 level at 1617, which is amazing, guys. I'm not going to read the rest of the coins for you today in this video, but the Fear and Greed Index is currently sitting at 45 from yesterday's 41. So it's up a little bit more, not much change in there. But you can see here in our crypto bubbles today, the top 100, you can see that HBAR is up, Comp is down, Rune is up, KLA is down, XRD is down, and pretty much the average is stable at the moment. So guys, not much happening in the market, but with CPI coming in a little bit worse yesterday, core CPI coming in a little bit worse yesterday than the forecast. Well, the same thing happened with the CPI year on year over year. It came in just a little bit worse than what we expected, but it didn't really do anything to the market, guys. I think the market is expecting the interest rate decision hike next week, Wednesday, to shake some stuff up, to give that volatility back into the market. But I want to say to you guys that the statistics that are on the US government website for raising interest rates, or the Fed website, excuse me, for raising interest rates is actually something about a 92 to 95%. No, they will not raise rates next week in September. And that's what Fed Chair Powell said. He actually said that they will raise rates in November, not in September. So that's interesting. What do you guys think about that? Do you think they're going to raise rates next week in September, or are they trying to catch us off guard to boom, somewhat wick down, scoop up as much more Bitcoin as they possibly can, and then obviously, take your Bitcoin? Do you want them to take your Bitcoin? Are you going to sell the institutions your Bitcoin? Let me know down in the comments below. Me personally, hell no, guys. So core CPI year on year it remained the same. Now today, guys, so you can see here the federal budget is now 89 billion. So it's gone from negative 245 billion. So they were sucking that liquidity back in. Now they're starting to spend it again. What is that saying to us, guys? They're saying the information that the Fed is relaying to us is pretty much falsified information. They're trying to gaslight you to shake you out of your crypto. So am I answering your question, the question or the opening statement of the video? Am I answering that question for you guys? Let me know down in the comments below. Initial jobless claims were we have jobless claims, core PPI year on year, US retail sales minus autos, and business inventories today, guys. There's going to be huge volatility in the market today. Do not miss out on the opportunity to get some big bank from that. Now, not much news in the market, to be very honest. I ain't going to really go through the news. I'm just going to read some of the headlines stuff for you guys. Today, if you want to do that, please go ahead. You guys know where Cointelegraph is. So Coinbase CEO champions DeFi, calls for court actions to set legal precedent. Sui Network launches Google, Twitch, and Facebook logins for dApps. Californian lawmaker proposes legislation to protect actors from AI clones. That's so crazy. Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Sam Altman talk AI regs in Washington, regulations in Washington. Singapore central bank slugs Three Arrows founders with a 9-year ban. So, guys, not much news. As you can see, there's not really much up to update you. But let's go and have a quick squiz at the Dixie. I want to go and have a look at the Dixie for you guys right now. So, cool. You can see there's resistance there now. I want to go and have a look at this on your lower time frames because, boom, look at what's happening. In fact, let's go back to the daytime first. So let me draw something for you just above it so that you guys can see. So basically, when there's a sharp drop and somewhat sort of a consolidation, which is essentially a bear flag, it tells us that the next move will go to the downside, right? So this is what is happening. So normally there's a strong liquidation, which was this, okay? Then there's sideways consolidation, which is happening right now. And then perhaps in the next couple days, we will see the next leg down to the downside. Now, the next leg down to the downside is this target right here, okay? So what do you guys think the Dixie's going to do? If the Dixie's going to drop, surely that is going to make Bitcoin go up, especially considering it's inversely correlated, right? So the crypto market cap will also end up doing the exact same thing because it too is also valued against the dollar or USD. And you can see here, like I said to you guys, like I've been saying to you, double bottom, huge double bottom patterns within double bottom patterns forming, guys. It's impossible right now for this thing not to make some sort of move, to have some sort of recovery happen. And if I need to go and show you something right now on the on this, look at this level here that we are probably going to look to smash out of any moment. Okay, so not only that, you can see that right now these levels that we have held here are pretty much in a consolidated area. We have a lot, we have very little time left before we make a decision whether we're going up or down, guys. So it is coming soon. Now, before I finish off on the charts and carrying on the Bitcoin chart, I just want to show you what is the difference between core CPI, CPI and PPI, and core CPI and core PPI. Well, the difference between it is that PPI is the more important reading or number figure to look out for. Why is that? A primary use of the PPI is to deflate. No, I don't want you to know my location. Is to deflate revenue streams in order to measure real growth output. A primary use of the CPI is to adjust income and expenditure streams for changes in the cost of living. So you can see here that the CPI is for cost of living and income and expenditure, whereas this the PPI is for revenue streams. So very, very different, okay? And revenue streams are more important because revenue is telling us where there is liquidity. We're in CPI, you have people's savings that depleted through C19 and after, but their income, their salaries have increased a little bit, but cost of living has gone up and increased, so it's not well balanced. And PPI is the driver of that number. Now, one of the saddest, craziest things that I have seen is that we have now officially had this death cross. And every single time that there is a death cross, for the 5 last times that there was a death cross, let me go and show you even just the last time there was a death cross. Look there, there's a golden cross, pumped. A death cross up here, dropped. Death cross, dropped, okay? But look what happened here. And this is possibly where I think we are right now. It seems as though we've done something like this, okay? Which means that we just going to capitulate even more and then finally make the rally back up where we get back up to that cross level. Now, let's go and have a little quick squiz. It won't show you right now, not a problem. But you can see. So you can see that basically I'm saying to you, all previous times we've had a death cross, it has happened. Bitcoin price has fallen. Now, do I believe that we're probably going to run up? Look, we have this resistance, this white box here is resistance, and we're now a little bit overbought on the RSI, but the volume is quite strong here, so it's decent. Are we going to get back up to this level and then drop, or are we going to drop and then pull back up to the level? What do you guys think in the comments down below? Let me know, please. I would love to know what my community thinks. And of course, to my beautiful souls that are here with me, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, you like the video, and you're sharing my content with your friends and your family where you believe that we have the potential to share this knowledge and information with our community. And if you guys want to go ahead, I will put in the comment for you this beautiful link right here, right now. You guys can go ahead, and in fact, let me do it right here in front of you so you guys can see. This is where I would like you to go ahead and click this link so that you guys can actually come and get yourself a bonus. You can see here my bonuses. You can see here my links down below where you guys can go ahead and get paid. And if you want to get some free crypto, then these are the mining apps that you can go ahead and use to get yourself some free crypto. But the main link that I want you guys to use to trade cryptocurrencies with me is without a doubt my Bitflex link. So go and check it out down below in this video description and pin in the comments above. Pinned in the comments. So now Ethereum and USDT, let's go and see what's happening with Ethereum, because Ethereum itself has also done the same as Bitcoin, but there is not much buy volume. We had the death cross on Ethereum a couple days ago already, some time ago. So we have crossed. Are we going to pull up to this band here right now? Maybe, because the 200 level would essentially become that target for us to go back up to. Okay. So another thing I want to point out to you is that we have also a double bottom. We have some sort of W pattern forming, and a W pattern is normally one of the bottoms is lower than the other. So pretty decent. Same thing with the RSI. The RSI is making higher lows as well, and this is making lower highs, which is telling us that there's bullish divergence busy happening. Now, with liquidity in the USDT market cap, what I said to you guys yesterday is that we would perhaps, and if you go and watch my video that I shared with you, I shared it in this video. If you go and watch this video, I shared with you guys that we probably bounce here, make another little rally, because there is resistance going to be met up here and on this level right now. You guys can see that very, very, very clearly. And let me just draw in this horizontal line for you. Look how absolutely perfectly that touched. Now, are we going to be met with some heavy resistance? Possibly. The RSI is coming down once again. It's busy resetting. But the thing that we are seeing here on the USDT is very interesting, right? Because we broke out here. We found support. We broke out. We found... Whoa, crazy helicopter. Found support here once again. And now we broke up. And we've made pretty much higher lows ever since. Okay? And we're currently busy making higher lows. We're also making higher highs, which tells us on the daily time frame that the USDT has got bullish momentum and bullish trend, especially with the RSI coming to reset. There is also bullish divergence, because you can see here that's lower highs and that's higher highs. So that is that's bearish divergence actually. So that's why we're seeing this. So could USDT come all the way back down here and find some support? It's a high possibility, guys. But if we do see a breakout of this level that this white line, we're probably going to get to this box here and then try and find some sort of level of support. Let me know what you guys think down in the video in the comments below. I love you all. Thank you for being here with me on the video. A very short one for you guys today. Much love and benevolent blessings to you. Make sure to watch these crazy videos because these crazy videos were even better than this one. Thanks to you all. Much love and benevolent blessings.